When's this fucking bus coming?
It's not. Train, bro.
That's what I fucking said. I said train, right?
No, you said bus. Kicha.
I said, ¿dónde está la quicha?
Why do you have your glasses on?
Because I wear sunglasses at night. Duh. Don't be asking no trifling ass questions. Shit. Where's the bus?
Dude, I can't even videotape right now.
Why?
Because I'm drunk.
Are you videotaping me?
Yeah, I'm like getting your chin in your chest.
You put it on my face. So, where's this bus?
Train.
That's what I fucking said.
I got a hiccup. Oh shit, though.
Where's the train?
Let's get a close up.
¿Dónde está la train?
There you go. That's where a train is supposed to be coming from.
Yo, let's go get a cab, man. Fuck a train.
It's not coming. We're not getting a cab.
I will pay for it.
Dude, that's like $300.
$30.
That's too much.
Huh?
No! Oh, hell no.
That's too much for a cab.
I wear my sunglasses.
I already bought my ticket too.
What?
For the train. What's going on back here?
Now!
Some drunkards.
Where is the train? Where are you, train?
Dude, it's not here yet.
Where's the train? What time is it?